One of the biggest questions in an analytics career is what should you learn first? Excel, Power BI, or Tableau? All three tools are in high demand, all three are widely used by companies, and all three can help you build a strong career in analytics. But the real question is which one you should start with. In this video, we will be making comparison between Excel, Power BI, Tableau so that you can decide and build your analytics career. So first we will start with Excel. Excel, you must have already been using it. It's best for small to medium data sets because it has a limit up to which you can add the data in its rows and columns. It is used for calculations, pivot table, charts. You can make any type of chart in it. You can do calculations. It's very beginner friendly and it's widely used in like all the companies from startups to MNCs. Its pros are it's very easy to learn and flexible. It can be used anywhere from like you can use it on your mobile or you can use it on your laptop, and any type of data you can add it in it. Cons are like not ideal for large data sets, as I mentioned that it has a limit up to which you can add the data in it in rows and columns, and it has a very limited dashboard interactivity. If you can like if you will be creating the dashboard in Excel, then you cannot do interactivity as compared to the Power BI and Tableau because it will be fixed. Now like Power BI is designed for interactive dashboards. It can handle large data sets efficiently. For the calculation purpose, Power BI has a DAX query language in which you can do any type of calculations and show it in your charts. Its pros are strong data modeling. It can do automation and refresh. You can schedule the refresh as well in it, and it's very high in jobs demand. Okay. We have also created the Power BI videos in which you can learn the Power BI from scratch to the advanced level. We'll be uploading more videos in which you can learn more advanced version of Power BI. Its cons are its learning curve for DAX because can be a bit tricky in the starting, but it will be easy like when you will learn it. It has a Microsoft ecosystem, so you have to for the web version to upload the Power BI PBX file, you have to purchase the Microsoft ecosystem. Then Tableau is more advanced than Power BI. It has an advanced data visualization tool. It has a good storytelling and visual analytics. It is popular in all the global companies. Many MNCs are using only Tableau. Its pros are its visuals are beautiful and it has a strong visualization engine. But the cons are there, like it has a expensive licensing because like we can get the Power BI desktop in free, but for Tableau you have to purchase the license of it. And the other con is it's slightly steeper learning curve because like it's slightly difficult to learn than the Power BI. We have a table comparison chart, also feature comparison is there. So Excel is best for small data, Power BI for business dashboards, and Tableau for advanced visuals. Other than for large data handling, you can easily use Power BI and Tableau, but not Excel because it cannot handle large data sets. For automation purpose in Excel, you can do the automation up to some limit, but in Power BI and Tableau, you can do the automation as you want. Ease of learning, Excel is very easy to learn. Power BI is up to medium range and Tableau from medium to high. Cost for it, like you can get the Excel in the package of Office, Microsoft Office. Power BI, you can get the free desktop version, and in Tableau you have to actually purchase the paid license for it. For some up to 30 or 60 days you can get the free trial version, but after that you have to purchase the Tableau paid license. So the last point is like which tool should you learn first? If you're a beginner, you should start with firstly with Excel, learn till advanced Excel, and then if you are targeting the analyst role, you should start with Power BI because Power BI is also mostly used in every company, and it will be easy for you if you learn Power BI first than Tableau because Power BI is little bit easy than Tableau. Global MNCs are focusing mostly on Tableau because it can handle more large number of data sets, and it has a good storytelling also. For your learning path, like you can start with Excel, then you can learn Power BI, and if you are focusing mostly on MNCs, or yeah, the company you're focusing on for your career is using Tableau, then you should definitely learn that. We will also be making some videos on Excel and Tableau. We have already made on Power BI. You can go to our channel and visit our playlist and watch them. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.